Hello, friends! Today we're going on an exciting adventure to the farm.
A farm? Will there be animals?
Oh, I want to see bunnies and chickens.
Yes, and we'll practice counting while we meet all the animals. Are you ready?
Yay! We are going to a farm.
Come on, Kiki and Momo, follow me. We are going to the farm.
I wonder how many animals we'll see.
Maybe I'll see lots of bunnies to count.
Here we are at the farm. Look, there's Farmer Tom.
Hello! I'm so glad you're here. There's lots to see and count.
Wow! Look at all the animals.
Can we start counting now?
Of course, let's go. It will be an amazing day. Here we are, friends. Look at this beautiful farm. What animals can you see? Do you know what sounds they make? This is so beautiful.
Wow! Look at all the animals.
Chickens, ducks, cows. I can't wait to count them.
Let's meet some of the animals. Look at the chickens pecking by the coop.
They're so cute.
Can we count them, Miss Sara? Wow, that's a big chicken.
Yes, and so cute. Want to follow it?
Yes, let's go.
Hello again, everyone. Are you ready to count some animals?
Yes, Farmer Tom. Kiki and Momo are so excited to begin.
Let's go.
Okay, Kiki, you will go first. How many rabbits do you see?
1. It's 1 rabbit.
Now it's your turn, Momo. How many cows do you see?
1, 2. I see 2 cows.
And Kiki, how many chickens can you count?
1, 2, 3. There are 3 chickens.
I see beautiful ducks. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ducks.
How many horses can you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 beautiful horses.
Try to count the jumping goats.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think they are 5. No, wait, they are 6. I see 6.
How many birds do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 birds.
Now count the eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 eggs.
Wow, those are a lot of piglets. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 piglets playing in the mud.
What about the bees? Can you count them? Let's help Momo count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's perfect. You all counted to 10. Woohoo!
One little chicken pecking at the ground. 2 happy cows making a mooing sound. 3 fluffy sheep bouncing here and there. 4 playful ducks swimming everywhere. Let's count them all, 1 to 10. Counting animals again and again. 5 little bunnies hopping all around. 6 busy bees buzzing up and down. 7 tiny piglets rolling in the mud. 8 baby
Hello again, friends. Are you ready to play a fun counting game with Kiki and Momo? We're going to look at some pictures and find out how many animals we can count together. Let's take a look at our first picture. What do we see here? I see cows, a chicken, and a few ducks. Let's count them together. Let's start with the chickens. How many can you find? Just one, you got it. And how about the big cow? How many cows are there? 1, 2, great counting. Now, let's count the ducks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done. Let's look at this next picture. What animals do you see? Now let's find the horses. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 horses. I see some fluffy sheep. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 sheep. So fluffy. And up on the fence, do you see the birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. Chirp, chirp. Well done, everyone. That was amazing counting. Someone's been playing in the mud. Do you see the piglets? They look so happy rolling around. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piglets. Do you hear that? I think some bees are nearby. Let's look closely. Can you see them flying near the flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bees. This one might be a little tricky. Some kittens are hiding. Let's look very carefully and try to find them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little kittens. Whoa, look at all those little goats. They're jumping everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goats. They sure love to play, don't they? And you did amazing counting all 10. You did it! We counted all the animals, from 1 to 10. Kiki and Momo are so proud of you, and so am I. Keep practicing your counting, and we'll see you again next time. Tonight, under the stars, we're going on a magical adventure. Are you ready for a story, Momo? Ready, Kiki? Luna stood by her window. The night was quiet. She looked up at the stars, her heart feeling big and excited. A tiny light blinked in the dark. It was bright, like it wanted Luna to follow. The light spoke softly. "Let's go tonight." Luna listened. It sounded excited. Luna opened her window fast. She felt excited, like something fun was about to happen. Luna and the glowing light floated through the sky. Everything was quiet and very beautiful. 2 fireflies danced in the dark. Their little lights made everything feel magical around Luna. The fireflies' soft glow made the sky look like a dream. It felt real and magical at the same time. Under the quiet night, Luna saw a calm pond. Stars shined in the water, and shiny logs sat all around. 3 happy frogs sat on the shiny logs. They sang, "Ribbit, ribbit," and made Luna smile. Their silly song made the night feel even more special. The happy sounds floated in the soft breeze. On a branch in the quiet night, 4 little birds sat close. They sang soft, funny songs that felt like a dream. Luna and the light danced slowly. Their songs were soft like a bedtime dream. Under the twinkling stars, 5 fluffy sheep slept close together. They were cozy and quiet, dreaming sweet dreams. The sheep breathed softly as they slept. The stars above watched them with a gentle glow. The night was quiet, and the sheep slept peacefully. They made the farm feel calm and safe. Under the night sky, Luna laughed and ran. She chased 6 glowing bubbles that floated in the air. Each time Luna touched a bubble, it popped with a sparkle. She giggled, and the moon smiled down on her. The bubbles popped softly, like little dreams. Their light faded slowly into the dark night. In a quiet, open space, 7 magic stars twinkled above. Their warm light made the night feel even more magical. The stars twinkled softly, like they were sharing a magical secret. Luna couldn't stop staring. They were so wonderful. Luna giggled as she jumped from cloud to cloud. Every landing made her smile even bigger. Luna flew high in the sky with 8 glowing phoenix birds. Their wings sparkled, and they danced together through the clouds. 9 shiny rings floated in the night. They glowed like magic and filled the sky with wonder. The rings spun and twirled in the dark. They looked like fairy wings dancing in the sky. The rings kept dancing, making the sky light up and glow. It was so pretty, Luna couldn't look away. Under the night sky, 10 little lights appeared in a row. They glowed softly like they were saying, "It's time to go." All the lights whispered together, "Time to go home!" Luna smiled as she floated back to her room. Her heart felt happy and full of magic. And that's the end of our story, my little stars. Good night, Kiki. Good night, Momo. And good night to you too.
We went to visit a farm today. Saw animals all the way. Chickens, cows, and sleeker sheep. Goats that jump and pigs that peep. We learned to count from 1 to 10. Let's count together once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. 8, 9, and 10. Hooray! We counted through a happy day. Now the sun is going down. Let's get quiet all around. Kiki's yawning, Momo too. It's bedtime now for me and you. We'll count again another day, but now it's time to snore and not play. Goodbye farm, goodbye sky. Let's all whisper nighty night.